Who wouldn't want a butler waiting on them hand and foot? Well, UBTech is working to make that dream a reality. It's developing a humanoid robot called Walker that can carry out tasks around the home or office. Walker can confidently move along smooth floors and even staircases thanks to an advanced balancing mechanism. It can also grasp objects with ease, so it can push around serving carts, carry food, and even pour drinks, making it quite the kitchen companion. Walker also has a personal touch thanks to a computer vision system that can recognize familiar faces. This enables it to respond to requests made by voice, text, and facial expressions. The robot also has the ability to connect to smart devices, making it a central hub for the home. Walker isn't ready for the mass market just yet, but it won't be long before this robot becomes an indispensable part of our households.